Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lely Anggraini. I am a postgraduate student in Indraprastha PGRI University, majoring in English education. This video is made to fulfill a final assignment with the subject academic speaking for scientific purposes. And this video, I will presentation about the topic public speaking in FL. And this slide, the title is Public Speaking in EFL, teaching students to speak with confidence. And the next slide is some outline. There are introductions, main challenge, main challenge faced by EFL students, core components of public speaking in EFL, three ways to speak with confidence, part speech structures, particle classroom activity, three steps for students to speak with confidence, and the last is summary. And the next slide, main challenge faced by EFL students. There are 4 points: foreign language anxiety, vocabulary and grammar limitation, first language interference, and the last lack of practice and role models. In the in the first point, foreign language anxiety, it means fear of making grammatical error, mispronunciation words, or being negatively evaluated by the audience. And the second, vocabulary and grammar limitation. The students often struggle with real-time word retrieval and spontaneous sentence structure on the stage. And the next, first language interference, it means direct translation from the native language. And the last, lack of practice and role models, it means limited opportunities to speak publicly and scarcity of good English presentation models in daily environments. And this next slide talk about core components of public speaking in EFL. There are 3 points: verbal, nonverbal, and vocal. In verbal, it means clear message structure, include introduction, body or main points, and conclusion. And about nonverbal, it means eye contact to establish a connection to the audience. And the last, vocal, it means intonation, clear articulation, and volume control and pacing. And the next slide tell about 3 ways to speak with confidence. There are also 3 points on this slide. The first is focus on the message, eye contact, and speaking at an appropriate volume and pace. The student can and have to focus on the message to delivery to audience, and the second, eye contact, engage with the audience visually to build rapport and establish authority and project natural self-assurance. And the next, part speech structures. There are 3 points: friendly greeting, main points, and short closing. Friend greeting, it means student, it should be welcome to the audience warmly, introduce themselves, and state the core purpose of the topic. And about main points, it means the student who deliver a message to the audience, it should be give 2 until 3 points core and ideas and organized clearly with logical transition. And the student can give a sportive example. And the short closing, the student can make a summarize when they deliver a message to audience. And the next practical classroom activity. Pair talk with friends, practice to speak in front of the class, example 1 or until 5 minutes, and relax posture. It's about pair talk with friends. It means the student can make a small discussion or they can make a dialogue with their friends and then they can discussion about hobby, favorite foods, or music. For practice to speak in front of the class, the student can speak with their friends about their daily activity. And relaxed posture, the student can emphasize physical relaxation and control breathing to reduce physical tension. And the next three steps for students to speak with confidence. There are write the keywords, speak calmly, and practice audibly. And the next summary, be brave communicator. The speaker is not learning what to say or how to say it, but how to feel confidence while saying it. And the next, focus on the message and rehearse consistently in supportive environment. And there are the presentation about public speaking in EFL. I hope this presentation or this topic can be useful for all of you. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.